Hi everyone, I hope you're well. I hope you've had a really good weekend, lots of opportunities to rest and relax, and that you're feeling ready for another week of home learning. Now, this week, my little theme is all about respecting the world around us, and it's about taking a slightly closer look at some of those things that are all around us, but that sometimes we miss. Now, I don't want to start just yet because I need my glasses, but I can't find them. I've been looking everywhere. Sorry? They're where? Oh, sorry about that. Look, does that ever happen to you? Do you ever miss things that are completely in front of you? You're looking for something, it's right there in front of you, and somehow you manage to see through it? Happens to me all the time. I'm sure it happens to you, probably happens to your families as well. Now, there is a little link there because, like I say, we're going to be thinking about respecting the world around us, and we're going to be thinking about some things that are in the world around us that maybe sometimes we just look straight through them. We don't even notice them. Let me tell you a bit more. So this weekend, starting on Friday and going through to Saturday and Sunday, the RSPB, the Royal Society for the Protection of Birds, they are running a big bird survey, and they're very keen for people to get out into their gardens, get out into their communities and spend a bit of time just looking around and seeing what kinds of birds they can see. So depending on your age, you might need a little bit of help with this, but I'm just going to show you a couple of things up on the screen here. So first off, you can go to their website, rspb.co.org.uk, and you can find out quite a lot more about this thing that's happening this weekend. Now, if I just go on here, you can also go on and have a look. There's a section for schools that includes people who are learning at home at the moment. And within this section, there are sheets like this that you can either just have a look at on screen, or you can download them and print them off. So it gets you to look at the different types of birds, things like a house sparrow or a blackbird or a robin or a blue tit. Goes on like that, little boxes for ticking how many of them you see. So maybe you could get out into your gardens this weekend or into your community spaces and have a little look and see what you can see. Now, their website, it goes a bit more than that, because there's a section of it that talks all about the Wild Challenge. Now, if you wanted to take this a bit further, if you wanted to do it across the whole of this week or into next week or the week after, they have something called the Wild Challenge, which again you can find on their website, and that allows you, it tells you all about it on here, lots of explanations. But you can basically sign up and you can go for a bronze award, a silver award, or a gold award. And again, there's lots more information, but basically there are lots more activities, and it's all about looking closely at what's around you, looking closely at places where those animals and things are hiding or living. And I also thought, for some of you, maybe, I don't know when the last time you went to the Three Brooks Nature Reserve was, but they've got their website. It's not far from many of you, probably a short walk, and that's a great place to be looking at some things. So listen, our theme this week, respecting the world around us, thinking about some of those things that might be there right in front of us, but we just look through them and we don't notice them. So maybe you can have a bit of an investigate together, see what you come up with. I'll be back on Wednesday to tell you a little bit more. I'll try not to lose these. Take care. Bye.